Welcome to the PharmaVOICE 100 one-on-one video series with Taryn Groen.
Teresa, congratulations on being named to the 2020 PharmaVOICE 100.
Thank you. I got to tell you, I am thrilled to be part of that elite group. So thank you very much for the honor.
It's our pleasure, and it really well-deserved. And thank you so much, too, for joining us for the PharmaVOICE 24-hour celebration marathon.
I know, but you've got a big program ahead of you. Well done. It's exciting.
Thank you for being part of it. Teresa, to the heart of the matter, let's talk about why you took the steps to integrate Takeda's commercial and R&D oncology teams. It's quite an undertaking.
Well, I think it's really around the whole concept of working together in a very tight, integrated way. And I have a very strong belief system that to be best in class, commercial and R&D need to be in lockstep. And when you look at the entire continuum of drug development, the scientists, what they do in terms of discovery and where they focus their efforts, it needs to be guided by commercial, who's giving them insight on where's the unmet need, what is it that patients need to see, what is it the regulators need to see, what do you need to see for access. You can actually get that science into the marketplace and into the benefit of patients. And so the more that we work together all along that pathway, the stronger you are as an organization and the better you are at delivering medicines to patients that really need it. And it ends up being much more effective that way. And so that's why it has been a very big push for me that we act as one in lockstep.
That's amazing. And in doing so, it really takes a lot of coordination and a lot of leadership skills to lead a global team. What are some of the most important skills you use to lead this global team?
I think it's so much about, Taryn, it's getting the right people around you, right? So I don't have all the functional skills across every single thing, but you hire that and you make sure you get the right talent, and then you make sure you listen to the right talent, and that you encourage open debate so that you're hearing from the talent what what individuals feel is important, what isn't, so that there is a lively discussion. And so I think that having the right people, having the right discussions, really listening and recognizing that you don't know all the answers. And I think where the leadership part comes in too is making sure that you're setting the vision, making sure that you're reminding folks, because sometimes, it can get a little bit crazy day to day. There's so many things to do, but reminding folks, what's the vision? Why we're here? We're here for patients. Let's make sure we don't derail with our own internal things and stay focused on that, and reminding people what good looks like. And then, the team does the rest, right? I mean, that's why it's also important to get the right talent underneath you. So I actually have a real passion for what we do in oncology, for the aspirations we have to cure cancer. And so to me, it is a pure joy to be leading a really great team that is all focused on the same thing.
Teresa, thank you so much for being part of our program today, and thank you so much for sharing your insights.
Thank you for having me, and I appreciate it.
For more PharmaVOICE 100 content, visit www.pharmavoice100.com.